Did you know you can make your own foaming hand soap? This 3-step DIY foaming hand soap recipe comes from the Simply Earth recipe box, and you're gonna love it. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use their essential oils to make all natural recipes. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this unicorn hand foaming soap. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are so excited to make making natural recipes super easy. So that is why if you get our February recipe box, you can get all the ingredients that you'll need to make these recipes delivered straight to your door. I'm gonna grab all of my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY soap kit. So it looks like we are going to use one of your foaming hand tablets, that's one of your extras, and our unicorn essential oil blend. Soap bottle that is made for pumping hand soap. Make sure that it's a dispenser that's made for foaming hand soap, otherwise it's gonna come out as a liquid and it just won't be as great. One quick thing to note is that in the recipe we put distilled water. If you wanna use regular tap water, that's totally fine. We suggest distilled water because it will help lengthen the shelf life of your hand soap. All right, the first step to your recipe is you are gonna open your foaming hand soap tablet. You're gonna add this guy to the bottle. See, told you it was super easy. You are going to add your essential oils. Next, you're gonna add 30 drops of unicorn essential oil blend. The last step is you are gonna fill your container with the 1 cup of distilled water. This is the point where I'm gonna use my funnel. The recipe card calls for 1 cup of distilled water. However, if you want to fill the bottle up the rest of the way with water, you definitely can do so. I'm gonna put my lid on and then I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes so that the tablet has time to dissolve. Once that tablet has dissolved, I'm going to pump this out and wash my hands. To use, pump soap onto wet hands, scrub it dub and rinse it off. If you want to turn all natural ingredients into natural products, go get your Simply Earth recipe box today. It actually teaches you how to unlock the natural power of natural ingredients. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all those lovely creations. Follow for more natural recipes just like this.